Alright, so I am no less than an hour late to leave for the hunting camp. It's about a 2.5 to 3 hour drive. Sunrise is 7:30 and it's 4:19. I'm going to be a big hit with the rest of the club today. They're already going to be set up, and I don't know. There's a way to get to, we got this latch-on stand on the south side, and I'll try to show it to you homos. And what I can do, I can actually come off the property, come around, come back in a gate, and hopefully not disturb anything that's on the property. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. I'm always weary about that because I open carry, and so I'll be like walking down the side of the road with a 1911 on my hip. I can just imagine myself trying to explain to the local law enforcement how it's legal for me to open carry while I'm hunting. Yeah, good stuff. So anyway, if not, this will probably be a good opportunity to I don't know, try that 11 to 1, the 11 to 1 o'clock hunt that dude man down at the shop was talking. It's not exactly my idea of fun just yet today. Oh man, it's like I'm coming up there now. I got a pallet of water, I'm drinking a low-carb Monster, and I got four Pop-Tarts. I'll go up there and kick some ass. This is, of course, a chance for that crappy-ass Spyderco paramilitary 2 that I bought a couple years ago to redeem itself. If I can butcher a deer with it, then it'll actually be good for something. You see, the son of a bitch is just too big to carry around every day. It's a big-ass knife. And it works at work because, like, my coworkers and the people that know me expect me to have, like, a big-ass knife on me or a whole myriad of weapons. So it ends up working for me. But, trying to open a little plastic bag with a 4-inch knife, I mean... And don't even get me started on the damn Tonto blade. The only thing fun about a Tonto blade is, you think of the song is that by the Sugar Hill Gang? Go Tonto, Tonto. Alright. Anyway, all that background noise you hear is my hunting tackle rattling around. So, I don't know. Hope y'all enjoy the vid. You believe the wife accused me of drinking all of her hard cider last night?
Oh, she has hard cider?
Yeah. She really likes it. It's Angry Orchard.
Shot of vodka and poured it in milk. It's just white, cloudy.
Okay.
Have you guys
It's
ever
really- they're
been
really
here
good, though.
with a 22?
No.
Found your first bullet.
That's what we should do, Jamie.
My first bullet.
We should
That
have
we
brought
found
the
here.
bows and the targets.
Yeah, I was going to say we didn't bring a target this time.
Were y'all getting bored?
We would have shot anyways.
Mm.
So we should have brought my bow too.
Yeah.
I didn't.
do think
Could've
that
seen my
when
bow.
we got here, you couldn't see the back of the Forerunner.
No.
Your boyfriend away? Oh, nah, we're still here. We got a campfire going. We got Ron hanging out with us for a little while. Well, we had a campfire until Jamie got a hold of it. Looks like it's going out.
Well, y'all ain't helping.
I tell you what's happening. You ain't got enough lighter knot in
So
there.
what's going on?
Are we supposed to get more light or not?
I don't know.
You're weird.
You're weird.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm retarded, not weird. Here came the word. Oh my God, there's
Yeah.
sand on the bottom of my water bottle.
Sand on the bottom of your water bottle?
Oh yeah.
That is some
Yeah.
noisy drinking you got there going on.
So, excuse me. So I can't believe she bailed on me.
Bye.
I thought the model that your dad got, you guys had a hard time finding it. I didn't know it was at the Hobby Lobby.
What?
No, that's
The
not
model.
where we got it. That's not where we got it.
The model car.
That's not
My
where
truck?
we got
I reckon.
No, my truck I got off the line.
Yeah.
it. That's the same thing I got my Hummer,
Skippy over here is trying to tell me that they got model cars at the Hobby Lobby.
ask my mom.
Yeah, they do.
What is model cars a code word for macrame? Because I ain't down with no macrame.
But I want to go there and get the Dukes of Hazzard car. They have the Dukes of Hazzard police car, the Dukes of Hazzard ghost car.
Well, with that being the case, you're forgiven.
They even have motorcycles.
Did I ever tell you about my Dukes of Hazzard thing? It wasn't until the new Dukes of Hazzard movie came out that I realized that the Duke boys were bootleggers.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, man, all these years I just figured Roscoe was chasing them because they were speeding.
And what were they really doing?
Oh, Lord have
They're
mercy.
running moonshine. Illegal.
You didn't know that?
No.
I did.
You
You
did.
never noticed
As soon as I
when
seen
they
the
went
movie
in the
first.
refrigerator and come out in the cellar down the stairs?
I never put two and two together.
Dad,
What,
can I have
son?
this knife?
No, son. I've already told you several times. Just because it's dark don't mean you're going to fool me.
Yes, I do. Well, throw a water ball at your head. Knock you out 2 hours later. Dad, can I have the knife? No!
You know, the other weird thing is I never really was attracted to Daisy Duke like other people because I figured I was part of the family and it'd be wrong to be attracted to my cousin. Mm-hmm.
Daisy Duke, who's that?
It was a hot girl on TV, son.
Yeah.
She's not so hot now.
No, she's all right.
At one time, she was 300-something pounds.
No, you're thinking of that other gal.
No, I'm thinking of Daisy Duke.
No, you're thinking of Wonder Woman.
Put it on the internet.
Put it on the internet?
Put it on the internet. Say, how fat did Daisy Duke get? And they'll tell you.
I'm not allowed to use the internet right now because I used too much data when I came up here to camp because I was watching the YouTube videos.
Huh. I wonder where the apple fell from that tree.
I did the
He just
exact
got in the
same
same trouble 2 days ago.
You know, the worst...
I got a text that said, hey, bitch, you were over.
The worst part of it is
Wow.
I've got Verizon, and when we first started having Verizon, we had unlimited data, right?
Mm-hmm.
So anytime we get these data text messages from Verizon, it's all back to going to war about Verizon, the MFers changing the plan on us.
Oh, yeah.
It was when we got the new phones. So when we had the BlackBerry phones, it couldn't do shit. It was fine to have unlimited data. You go to the iPhone that can actually do something online,
Yeah.
and now the old...
Oh, you have to tone it down on the iPhone because some people can't afford one, and he thinks his Metro PCS is just as good.
Verizon is having the iPhone 4 right now is free.
Yeah.
Hey, T-Mobile fixing to buy them.
Are they?
Yep, T-Mobile fixing to buy Metro. Yes.
Really?
Is it-
They're good.
Oh,
Are they...
I forgot that was so long.
You be careful over there.
We ain't got no more little things, but dude,
Yeah,
that's
dude.
funny.
I do.
Dude, that's funny as hell.
I got who? But don't tell nobody.
You tell I love my kid. That ain't the first time he's run into something. What are you looking for, son?
My chicks.
They're in the front seat, ain't they?
No,
They're
they're
right
not.
here.
Okay, put mine back over there.
Oh, they hurt.
Oh, you gotta have
I
something
love
to hurt
you,
first.
son.
I forgot that thing was so tall.
It's not
You
tall.
forgot that that's tall?
I
It's
forgot that was long.
it's a light.
What are
Well,
you taping
I'm trying to
now?
figure out how you run into a light.
Because the propane
The
tank.
propane tank
I
hangs
know.
that far.
The propane tank's huge.
It ain't been about